Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my another video. This video is very helpful for you. Many of our friends use Telegram and Messenger too. So we don't know how to dark your Telegram.
I got time, it's clear to see from up here.
Look at my Telegram, this is really black and its effect is dark. First of all we see our Messenger is dark. Now the Telegram can also give a facilities for us. This is for Messenger dark mode, we can easily dark it. So many of friends don't know how to dark Messenger. So for them you have to update your Messenger. You can automatically find this dark mode option. So now my main point is Telegram. So let's see how I do it. So first of all we have to go settings, then you find something in this privacy and security, then you go there and find the option. This is in notification and sound, not here. Privacy and security, last seen offline profile photo forward message, passcode lock, 2-step, see why is it.
You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors.
This is in chat setting. Look at that, you can set text size. It's be big, small, and after you can chat background, auto night mode, off, disable, scheduled, automatic. I just auto night mode, disabled, automatic. Brightness 0. So if you want to your Telegram dark, then you can use this dark blue, default dark blue. I have to go dark. So first of all you have to go chat settings, then color theme, then you choose here dark blue, default. So you choose dark if you wanna dark your theme in Telegram. So this is first setting for Telegram. This is really looking nice. So here are many options for you. You can give a bio for you. Let's give a bio. I am king in my own kingdom. Okay, fine. This is my bio. Username, you can give a username. I give it Farhan. Sir, this username is invalid. Farhan Chaudhary double one. Okay, so you can easily give a username here. Then you can take a private settings, last in online profile photo, forward a message. Then you can give a passcode lock, choose the verification code, and many things you can do here from. You can also see how much data you use. So see that you sent 865 photos, received 10,411 photos, bytes sent 78 MB and bytes received 587 MB, and you sent video received. You can see all of them items you sent and received from Telegram and the details of everything. You can see that. So I think this trick helps you so much. So goodbye for this time, and I will be back my another